Sometimes you want to move or migrate your operating system to a different drive, perhaps to a bigger drive, or you are moving from a hard disk drive to a solid-state drive. DiskGenius can make this process easy. First, we will download and install the software. Head to the DiskGenius site, click on Support, and then click Download. You can download the installer or the portable version. The portable version can be run without installing. However, you must download the suitable version for your system. You are presented with this warning because DiskGenius has data recovery functionality. We are not recovering deleted data, so this is irrelevant to us. Click Next. Wait for the software to finish installing. To start migrating your system to a different disk, click OS Migration. You will be prompted to select a disk as the target disk to migrate your system. Note that the targeted disk, disk G, is smaller than the system disk we wish to migrate. We will have a look on what to do if it was larger later. Also note that it's partitioned differently. Click OK. Here you are reminded that all the data on the target disk will be erased. If you need any of the files on it, please make a backup. To proceed, click OK. You are presented with a summary of the operation before initiating it. Note how the target is going to be partitioned to match your system disk, even though it is smaller. You may choose to allow the program to change the boot sequence if you wish. As we will be keeping both disks, we will let the program change the boot sequence to start booting from the target disk, which will be named C when the process is finished. You don't need to do this if you intend to remove the old disk and only keep the new one. The other option will automatically take you to BIOS after rebooting. You can always get to your BIOS or UEFI manually to change boot options, usually by holding Delete, F2 or F11 buttons while your machine power up. Click Start to initiate the migration. You will be warned again that all data on the target disk will be erased. You will have the choice to perform a hot migration or to use a WinPE environment. The hot migration, which is what we will use, will stay within the current Windows environment. Still save all your work in open applications. As we chose hot migration, a snapshot will be created. The migration process may be a time-consuming process. You are informed that the process completed. Note how your G disk has been reported as removable. This is because it will be connected in place of your current system disk. Click Yes to reboot. Be warned that the reboot process might take some time. Note that now you are using the disk you migrated to as the system drive while the old system disk has a different drive letter. Here you are asked to select the system partition as a source because we have two. We will select C drive and click OK. Select disk G as the target. Note that the target disk is larger than the source. Notice how the excess space on the target disk is reported as free. Manage partitions will allow you to add, remove, or resize partitions, but we will not use it. Instead, we will expand the partition on the target disk to take the free space. Now you can proceed just like before. Thank you for watching and see you next time.